Hi folks, just thought I would show you around a marine memorial in Queen Elizabeth Park, Paraparaumu, New Zealand. It includes a tragedy where sailors' lives were lost in a training exercise at the coast here on the 20th of June 1943. She's a pretty special little place really. I'll let the pictures tell the story, but it just goes to show how close the United States and New Zealand were in the war. Over here the Marines sort of prepared for invasion. Over the back here are all the US Marine divisions that were here and the story of what was happening while they were over here. It's a pretty quiet place around here. Lovely and green here in New Zealand this time of year. Coming on to summer, that won't last long, all that grass will probably burn off. US Marines down under. I think they had a pretty good time when they were here, but then I would too if I was just getting prepared to go to war. If you ever want any close-up pics of the stuff, give us a yell. I've got a few here, I can send them through to you. Probably won't be able to read that. Once again, this is in Queen Elizabeth Park, Paraparaumu, New Zealand. And today is Armistice Day. It was the end of the First World War. Just thought I'd show you the divisions that were over here. 2nd Marine Division, November 1942. And over here we have the 1st Marine Division. If anybody's got any relations in those divisions, it'd be quite interesting to know. Just coming up the tram line is the tram that people take for a ride. She's an old bugger, but by the looks of things she goes pretty well. Just coming around the corner now. I quite like that that sign there. So when the Marines come over to New Zealand, this is the hut they used to build, or the huts I should say. You can't really see inside, it's a wee bit dark in there, but if you ever want to check it out, www.marineNZ.com, and there's the GI hat with the red silver fern underneath it. The Americans were a big part of New Zealand in the Second World War. This was where they all took off, or Guadalcanal and all that sort of stuff. So this is all just a big memorial for the Marines who were here and the ones who lost their lives off the coast here training before they were deployed to Guadalcanal. On the shelf in here are Zane Grey westerns and comics like Hopalong Cassidy and Buck Rogers. I suppose all the Kiwis never ever heard of those till the Americans got here. I bet there's a few young American kids hanging around New Zealand didn't know they were Americans too in those days.